All right, family, we are back. Midweek update. So pretty much we're going to be going over how the week has been since Saturday's update that I gave y'all. Of course, y'all know that I've been keeping y'all updated in the chat room. But other than that, man, let's go ahead and dive on in. Let's kind of see how this week's been going because it's been going really good. So DXY. DXY is pretty much the main thing that I trade. I shared with y'all this on Saturday. What I was looking for was a small correction and then a continuation down into our premium and then a movement towards the upside. We literally got price action gapping up at market open, and then it immediately popped down all within the same candle, right? And we literally was here. We started to move our way down. This is when I kind of started to give everyone updates in the community chat room. We did not really take any trades until kind of the last minute. We caught really the best entries that we possibly could. I let the team know pretty much towards the beginning of the week to just kind of be patient. I'm not in any trades and things like that. And just kind of keep waiting. So this is what the update I gave in the chat room. Link down below, completely free. All of the updates. When I give y'all these charts, I literally walk y'all through how to make money on them. And I do that in the actual chat room. Here's the last update here, which was on April 27th. Just keep waiting until I tell you I'm getting active, family. So this is pretty much us just being patient. So we didn't really get active on trades until I would say like the last minute. So here's like GU, me giving them an update, GU's coming. And then I told them I'm selling GU now. Y'all get these type of updates in the chat room. And then I'm literally just posting as it goes. So you can see literally when it was right here, I'm literally updating y'all as these are moving. So far, it's looking good. I literally walk y'all through making the money on these trades, updates, things like that. All of that is in the chat room, link down below. It's completely free, okay? So we kind of waited until the last moment to really get active in a lot of these trades, which turned out to be a better thing for us this week. Next thing we're going to look at is EURUSD. This week, we were looking for just a retracement and then a continuation down. We sold this last week around here. So we've been riding this wave. And then we got a slight pullback this week. There was two areas I let y'all know I was looking for. First area was a pullback here and then a drop, or a pullback here and then a drop. We actually got the pullback here and then a drop. We closed out GBPUSD and we closed out EURUSD already. So we're out of those trades. We're not even in them anymore. So again, that's why you need to be in the chat room. Because that's why I post all of those trades. Literally, as you can see, EURUSD, when it was literally right here in this range, basically back to maximum profit, I basically let them know I'm about to take full profit. And then here I said I'm closing all trades and taking profit. We have FOMC tomorrow. Literally around this range, we closed out on EURUSD and GBPUSD as well. We closed out down here as well. We are out of both of these trades and we pretty much made maximum profit on these trades. We do have, again, a lot of news coming throughout the week, so the market's starting to price that in as well. You can expect some extra and some wildness to happen. So we might even retest this range before dropping back down for the rest of the week. So we do have GBP news on Thursday that is going to be significant for price action here. We are out of this trade. Just wanted to give y'all an update, but overall it did well. We didn't enter until here, actually. We caught our trade here, got a little bit of drawdown, and then straight push. And this was overall just a beautiful, beautiful trade. For those of y'all that were rocking and that are in the free Telegram chat room, again, link down below. Then y'all got the updates. Y'all know exactly when we entered these trades and y'all made some money. So cheers to that. NZDUSD, this was one that we actually just completely skipped altogether. Again, gave that update also in the chat room. All updates go in the chat room, but I actually left this one completely alone. But it did end up breaking down as well. We got the reaction out of here. The main thing was as long as we did not close above this level, then we were pretty much good to go to see that fall. What I did not like is that we did test this level, but that was the benefit of waiting for the DXY to actually get into our premium. So NZDUSD was literally already almost up here before the DXY even got to our actual reversal zones. It was something that we really wasn't interested in just because the DXY needed to do a little bit more. So it was kind of something I was like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna wait on that. So good decision there overall, even though it still went in the intended direction. It just was less stressful to focus on just mainly GU. So that was our week, man. Hope y'all had a good week. I'm pretty much done for the week. Again, we got a lot of news throughout the rest of the week. So that's kind of why I wanted to chill out and just kind of get what I could towards the beginning of the week and just, you know, going on, do my thing. So I've already made my withdrawals. I'm pretty much done for this week. I hope y'all had a great trading week. Again, link down below in the description to the free Telegram chat room where all of the updates are. You guys can also find our website information where our mentoring package is as well if you guys are interested in learning our 5-step strategy. Other than that, that's all I got for y'all. I appreciate y'all for tapping in, and I will see y'all most likely on Saturday for next week's trade opportunities.